are you?
I'm fine. What's about you?
I am also fine. Thank you for asking. Where do you live?
I live in village Chital,
And where is this village?
near the Rawalpindi.
Okay. Are you studying?
Yes, sir.
In which class?
Metric.
Okay. So you are here for learning spoken English.
Yes.
Okay. What is the name of your teacher?
Abdul Jabbar Advocate.
Yes, you are right. I am Abdul Jabbar Advocate from village Gaja. So this is the third or fourth day of Muhammad Ali learning spoken English, and you can see improvement in his confidence and accent and dialect. Okay, Muhammad Ali, please introduce yourself.
My name is Muhammad Ali. I'm from Pakistan and I live in village Datal. I am a student and I want to learn English. Thank you.
Welcome. And what is your routine? Tell some your daily routine.
I wake up at 6 o'clock. Then I brush my teeth and I have breakfast. Then I go to school. My class start at 9 o'clock. Then I have lunch and 1 o'clock. Then I sleep at 10 o'clock.
It is very good routine. Keep it up, Muhammad Ali.
Thank
It
you.
was really nice to talk to you.
Thank you.
And it's my pleasure to talk to you. Thank you.
Welcome.